If your Apple Fitness app isn't tracking steps, I'll show you how to fix it. First, always check your connectivity. The Fitness app relies on a stable Bluetooth connection with your Apple Watch. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. I also recommend a quick network reset. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. If the connectivity is fine but the app still isn't responding, try reloading it. Simply swipe up, close the Fitness app, and open it again. This reloads the app's code, which can help resolve any glitches. If the app reload didn't work, you can try to force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Release the button when the logo appears and this will perform a force restart. If you're using an Apple Watch, you can also try force restart there. Hold down your crown and the side button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Next, make sure that fitness tracking is enabled. Go to your settings, head over to privacy and security, and make sure your Apple Watch can use your location. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Go to settings and type in reset. Resetting the calibration can make a real difference. The process takes just a few minutes and can help your watch gather more accurate data. Grab your iPhone and open the Apple Watch app. This app is where you manage all your Apple Watch settings, including privacy and calibration options. Scroll down until you see privacy. This section is where you'll find the fitness calibration data and other health related settings. Here you'll see reset fitness calibration data highlighted in yellow. Tap on this option, then confirm by selecting the red button. This action will clear any existing data and set it back to 0. This won't erase your personal data or workout history, it will simply allow your Apple Watch to start recalibrating for improved accuracy in tracking steps, distance, and activity levels. Why would you even reset the calibration? Over time, Apple Watches can sometimes lose accuracy due to changes in the way you move or wear your watch. Resetting this data helps your Apple Watch gather fresh information, which can lead to more accurate step counts, calorie estimates, and distance tracking. After resetting, it's important to help your Apple Watch recalibrate. For best results, go for a 20-minute walk, or run at a normal pace on flat ground. This helps the watch learn your stride and movement patterns accurately. Here are a few quick tips to make the calibration reset work perfectly. Ensure a proper fit. Make sure your Apple Watch is snug but comfortable on your wrist. A loose watch can lead to inaccurate tracking. Use the workout app during your recalibrating walk or run. The app will record your session and provide the watch with consistent data. And resetting calibration is helpful, but don't reset your data too often. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.